The new Spotify Camp Nou is transforming right before our eyes. But is the construction staying on track? Today we're diving deep into the latest updates, uncovering what's happening at the site and what it means for the future of this legendary stadium. If you thought construction slows down on weekends, think again. The Camp Nou site has been buzzing, especially on Saturdays, with workers tackling multiple tasks at once. It's all about keeping the momentum strong, and this week, we've seen progress across key zones. Let's start with some of the heavy hitters. Reinforcing steel, also known as ferralla, is being installed on major frameworks. Formwork panels are going up fast, shaping the stadium's future structure. These two tasks are critical steps before concrete can be poured, so they're big milestones. One of the busiest spots right now is the corner area. Workers are focused on laying ferralla and setting up formwork panels. These areas are nearly ready for concrete pouring, which means this part of the stadium is moving closer to completion. Think of this as building the skeleton of the structure. Without these detailed steps, the rest of the construction simply wouldn't hold up. Moving over to the Tribuna Zone, the team is hard at work installing mini beams and pillars. This zone is key because it forms the backbone of the stadium's seating areas. With so much activity happening here, it's clear they're pushing to hit major deadlines. The lateral area is seeing a lot of action too. Formwork panels are being installed on both the interior and exterior walls, showing us exactly how the stadium is starting to take shape. It's these kinds of updates that make you feel like the vision for the new Camp Nou is becoming a reality. At the south goal, the focus is on installing voladizo pillars. This work is still in the early stages, but these pillars are going to play a huge role in supporting the entire structure. It's a small step, but an important one for the stadium's long-term stability. Finally, let's talk safety. New protective nets and barriers have been added around hazardous zones, ensuring that workers can push forward with fewer risks. This isn't just about checking boxes, it's about making sure the project stays on track without any unnecessary delays. So, what's the takeaway? The Camp Nou renovation is charging ahead, with clear progress across all key zones. From ferralla installation to formwork panels, and even early pillar placements, the foundation for the future is being set. It's not finished yet, but everything we're seeing suggests they're moving in the right direction. Subscribe now for the next construction update.